I'm Sophie. I'm the Photonics Integrated Chip Characterisation Engineer, so I'm basically in charge of anything related to PIC Characterisation at Quandela. A lot of my work is based in the lab, so I'm there characterising chips, or I'm working on analysis, and I've been working a lot on upgrading our characterisation setups. And my PhD was in integrated photonics, and so I thought it would be interesting to work in quantum integrated photonics, which is how I found this job. I think what surprised me most when I started working here was actually the amount of responsibility that I was given in terms of the characterisation setup. So sort of as soon as I'd been trained on everything that was in place at the moment, I was kind of given free rein to adapt things as I see, and it was really nice to feel appreciated like that. A lot of my daily interactions are within the PIC team. We do both the design and characterisation in-house, so a lot of what I'm characterising is based on designs that have been made in our team, where the PIC team does sit in between research and development because we have state-of-the-art targets to reach with our devices. This means that a lot of iterations between design and test are required, and my job comes into the test aspect of that. I think when you have lots of people from different backgrounds working together, it sort of broadens your perspective on certain problems and the way that you approach problems together. I think what's becoming the most challenging part of characterisation within PIC is standardising our approach. So it's kind of linked to us being in between research and product, doing a bit of both. It's all very well to have a working prototype of something, but if you want to actually create a product, you need to be able to reliably show something, reproducibility, that would be something. I'm not very good at finishing sentences, sorry.